What do you want, sir? Periodic table lesson I have sent. You please see. You please share with your friends. Okay?
Sir,
Okay. Yes, sir.
why don't you send it to Kazim, sir? He'll send us.
I have already sent, man. I have
Yes, sir.
sent 3 days back. I have sent 10 days back. See, sorry, is
Sir,
very, very
Karthik
busy.
sir
You
is
have
not
to ask.
sending on the group.
I don't know, your group is not there. Hello, stupid fellows, your group you have not made and send me across. Now I have sent through Kazim sir. Please ask Kazim sir for periodic table assignment. He will send across. Okay, done?
Okay, sir.
Now let's not waste time. Time is ticking away. You don't know.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. Okay, sir. Question number, you do all these questions now. As I don't have time, I will give you one question from my side. Okay. Try to do all these questions. There are 200 and odd questions, 4 days. Every day 50 questions means you can cover. Try to do. Take your own time. Okay. Now I will be going for whiteboard. See, people keep on joining. That's interference.
Sir, I have sent it in group.
Please ask Kazim sir. He will send you. Okay.
I have sent, sir. I
Good
have
morning,
sent.
sir.
You have sent. You have sent me. I have sent all my friends.
So be happy. Okay. Now, what is atomic number of next element to most abundant element in earth crust? In same group. What is the atomic number of next element to the most abundant element in earth crust in same group? That's the question. Sir, your answer is wrong. Nobody could give correct answer. Wrong. Wrong. Answer is most abundant element in earth crust is oxygen, whose atomic number is 8. If the starting element atomic number is between 2 to 12, you have to add 8 to get the next element's atomic number. So you have to add
Fluorine.
8. It is sulfur, not fluorine. It is sulfur. Please read the question completely. What is the atomic number of next element in the same group to the most abundant element in earth crust? Most abundant element in earth crust is oxygen. Atomic number is 8. Its next element is sulfur in the same group, whose atomic number is 16. Okay. See the next question. What is atomic number of previous element to mercury, atomic number 80? Previous element to, he is asking you atomic number, don't need name. If you want to know atomic number of preceding element to 80, subtract 32. So it is 8 and 4. That is cadmium. The rule of the game, again I am saying to you, if any element atomic number is between 2 to 12, you add 8 to get the next element atomic number. If it is between 13 to 39, you add 18 to get the next element atomic number in the same group. If the atomic number is greater than or equal to 40, you add 32. Okay? Okay? So you can go forward or backward. If they say atomic number 80 and ask previous element, subtract 32. Then you will be getting 48. Okay. This is a very standard question. An element electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. What is the atomic number of next element in the same group? First, you should see how many electrons it has. It is a neutral atom. Neutral atom means the total number of electrons is equal to atomic number. So its atomic number is 13. Next element atomic number is add 18. That is 31. The question can be very tricky sometimes. X minus 2 electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. What is atomic number of next element to X in the same group? A tricky question. Now they gave the configuration of ion, not atom. What you will do is, you count the number of electrons. It is 10 plus 6, 8, 18. It is X minus 2 is 18. Therefore, X is equal to 18 minus 2, that is 16. Now you want to know atomic number of an element next to 16. Next to 16 is obtained by adding what? 18. That is 34. Got the answer? Hello?
Selenium.
Try next model. A M plus 3 ion configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6. What is the atomic number of next element in the same group? The way you arrive is count the number of electrons. It has 10, 18, 28, 30, 36. It is a tripositive ion. Therefore, its atomic number must be 36 plus 3, 39. An element with atomic number 39, next element atomic number. If the element atomic number is, are we very clear? 10, 18, 28, 30, 36. Because it is plus 3, it is 36. So whenever there is a positive charge, if you want to know atomic number of original element, add electrons. It is 39. Next element atomic number. Please know the rule. 2 to 12, add 8. 13 to 39, add 18. 40 or more, add 32. Here it is 39. Next element atomic number, add 18. It is 57. Yes. Are we very clean?
Yes.
Sir.
It is a typical numerical type question. Okay. So do the exercise, read the content. That content has full notes and 300 questions. If you do those questions, you can get 100% score in this chapter in any IIT exam, mains or advanced, or even in NEET exam. Okay. So I have shared you the lesson. I have shared with you the notes and also model questions. Yes, sir. After losing electrons, it is having 36. So to know original atomic number, you have to add 3. M plus 3 has 36 electrons. So M has 39 electrons. Are we very clean on that? Last exercise. Last exercise in this model.
Sir,
Sir.
sir, in the PDF that you shared, there are questions regarding ionic radius, like charged atoms and their radius. So, is there
Okay.
any formula or something?
Please look at the notes that I have sent along with. Always positive ion is smaller than neutral atom. Negative ion is bigger than neutral atom. Read the content, do the exercise. Okay. An element makes X minus 3 ions. X minus 3 ion electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. What is the atomic number of next element in same group? That is the next problem. X minus 3 has a configuration like this. Atomic number of next element in the same group. So X minus 3 has 18 electrons. So X minus 3 is 18 electrons, means X is equal to 15 electrons. Next element is 15 plus 18, 33. That is arsenic. The original given element is phosphorus. So that is the exercise. Are we clean? An element IE1, IE2, IE3, IE4, IE5 are given. It is 5 EV, 12 EV, 36 EV, 394 EV, 480 EV. These are successive ionization energies. Formula of metal sulfate is dash. Can you work out the formula?
M2SO4 taken thrice.
Obviously, there is a sudden rise at 4th IE, so its valency is 3. Sulfate valency is always 2. So the formula M, you write SO4. SO4 valency 2, sulfate valency 3. M2SO4 taken thrice. Yes, you got it? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Please observe where there is a sudden height. Close at that area. The previous numbers indicate the valency. Valence of this element is 3. If the valency of M is 3, right at the bottom of sulfate. Always, you know, sulfate valency is 2, right at the bottom of M. Formula is M2SO4 thrice.
Explain
Okay.
it one more example, sir.
Please read the assignment. Solve questions. Ask doubts. I have sent once again.
Sir, one more example can you explain?
An element X minus 2. Last example.
Mannan Farooqi, please mute your mic.
X allow. Maintain silence. खामोश.
Give me a number.
अरे खामोश. सुन तो सही. चिल्ला रहे लोग. Mute करूं. It is not a respectable idea to mute.
No, sir.
I want to, as stupid fellows, I am respecting you. I am not muting you. Means I am respecting you. And you should deserve the respect, right? I know every teacher will mute you and think that you are not worthy. But I am not muting. I don't want. X minus 2 configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 6. Okay. What is the atomic number of next element in same group? Simple question. Yes.
Not this one, sir. One more example.
20, sir. Sir, 20.
The number of electrons X minus 2 has 10. So X has 8. Next element is 16. This is one model we have done. Next model is IE1, IE2, IE3, IE4, IE5 of an element are like 8 volts, 16 volts, 38 volts, 54 volts, 720 volts. Okay. What is the formula of its sulfate? Can you work out?
M2SO4 taken 4 times.
M2SO4 taken 4 times.
So obviously M and SO4 you
Taken
write.
4 times.
Valency of M SO4 is 2. Valency of M is 4. You can simplify. You can say it is MSO4 taken twice. M2SO4 taken 4 times should be simplified. If you simplify, it is 1:2. Can you see that really? Yes. Bang, huh? Okay, you got it, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir, got it. Understood, sir.
Very good. Sir, please do this. Your teacher cannot do all the problems. There are 300 problems. You should try them. You should do on your own. Okay? All varieties of questions.
प्रॉब्लम मेरे को नहीं आया
Sir will send. Don't worry. Today he will send. Okay? You ask him.
ये
Look
उसमें
at
है
this
मम्मा
question.
स्टडी मटेरियल
The correct
अब
the
सीरियसली
correct set of decreasing order of electronegativity. Can you do this?
मम्मा जाके लाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है मम्मा
The correct set of decreasing electronegativity is
जाओ में जाके ला लेते
hydrogen, lithium, sodium.
प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ
Okay, I am muting all of you.
फ्राइडे को जाएंगे
You-
अगर फ्राइडे
you-
Thank you, sir.
Mute all, sir, mute all.
Please keep quiet. Everyone, please mute them.
Sir, it is very easy for me to mute all of you, but that is not the way to treat students, I say. They should be respected, they should be allowed to talk, but you should guard the respect. You should speak only when it is required. I don't know. Okay. You are grown-ups, man. You are not KG students, you know. LKG, UKG students have no control. If they feel like pissing, they piss on the bench. We are all matured, intelligent students aiming for IIT. Yeah. Should have all that grace. You are not understanding my problem. Okay, sir. I have given you some models. Today we are starting a new chapter called Hydrogen and its compounds. You can download this lesson from internet. Okay. Should I show you how to download? NCERT free download. Chemistry 11th class. You type like that. NCERT book class 7 PDF download. Vedantu is a private fellow. Don't go to him. Go to government. Hindi, English. This is government site, right? Is it a government site? English medium. Part 1. It is there in part 2. Yes. It is also not government site. This is an old book, sir. If you go to government site, you get a new book. So this is the chapter, unit 9, position of hydrogen. I am showing you the book. This is flexiprep.com. It is not government. If you go to government site, you get, color copy. Let me try that. I am trying government sites. Okay. Government sites are authentic.
Abrarullah, give your number now, please.
Okay, sir. Now, actually, I don't have time. You should have patience to do that. Now, actually, my time is taken away. You try yourself, so you can get it. Otherwise, I will download and send
college
across.
material we got, sir. College material we got.
Then that is fantastic, sir. But hello, stupid fellows. College material you will do
We
anyway.
didn't get, sir.
I am telling you the rule of the game. The NCERT, the IIT mains paper is set from NCERT book. They will be given copy of NCERT book. Paper setter will be given a copy of NCERT book. Okay. So basically, you should know the organization of this government book. You use your material for practice. Okay. You got it? So I want you to be familiar with the government book. Okay. Let us download the previous book. NCERT class. Part 2.
So your screen is not coming, sir.
Okay, is it now seen now? My screen? Is it seen?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, it will come. Time is ticking away, man. All time you are wasting. All the time you have wasted enough today. I tell you.
Now started.
People are
Now
jumping.
started, sir.
Now,
Sir,
now
go
you
on.
can see, man.
Yes,
Now you
sir.
can see.
No.
Is there any
Can
Malayalam?
you see now?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see my screen? Now keep quiet.
Yes.
Sir,
Sir.
this hydrogen is the lightest element in the universe, number one. Number two, the hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. Third point is interesting. There is no free hydrogen gas in earth crust. You see, in air you have oxygen, in air you have nitrogen, in air you have carbon dioxide, in air you have argon. But you don't have free hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is available as water, as a part of water, H2O. Hydrogen is available as a part of methane, CH4. Hydrogen is available as a part of ammonia, NH3. In fact, hydrogen is the element that makes the largest number of compounds. It is not carbon, it is hydrogen. Hydrogen is existing in earth as compounds, but not as an element. If you are looking at oxygen, oxygen is available as element in our air. We are breathing in, no? We are breathing oxygen. Also, oxygen is available as element in stratosphere as ozone. Oxygen is existing in elemental form. Carbon is existing as an elemental carbon, as a diamonds, for example, as graphite. So many elements are existing in nature in combined form as well as in elemental state. But hydrogen is not existing in free elemental state in earth crust. Why? Hydrogen is there in sun. In fact, the hydrogen atoms combine to give helium, that is the source for energy of sun. Hydrogen is there in Jupiter as ponds because it is there in the liquid state. Why the hell hydrogen is not there in earth? That's a question. Why it is not there? Hydrogen being the lightest gas, the earth gravity cannot hold it, so it will escape into universe. Sun gravity is much greater than that of earth. Jupiter gravity is much more greater than that of earth. So in sun and Jupiter it can exist, not on earth. Can hydrogen be there in moon?
No, sir.
Why?
No,
Because
because the
gravity-
gravity is more less
The
than
gravity
Because
of
gravity
moon
on moon is 1/6 of Earth's.
Yeah, if your weight on earth is 60 kgs, on moon your weight is only 10 kgs.
10 kg.
So moon, impossible on moon you can't have elemental hydrogen. You have water. The Indian Chandrayaan 1 has proved that there is water in moon. Americans were not knowing. Yeah, Americans have sent the astronauts to moon. They landed there, Russians landed there. But they could not identify water there. India Chandrayaan 1 has identified definitely water in moon. Water in the form of solid locked in minerals. Our Chandrayaan 1 was a great success in one way. Chandrayaan 2 met with a ill fate, unfortunately. And India sent one Mangalayaan, one satellite to
Mars.
what is that? Mangalayaan, Mars.
Mars.
That is the mission, cheapest.
Cheapest mission in whole world, sir. To Mars.
The scientists in India at ISRO, they work very honestly. Very interestingly, I tell you, I worked in Sriharikota's rocket launching station for 13 years. So, as a person who worked in SHAR, I am telling you, the money allocated for space research in India is very nothing. The then Prime Minister visited SHAR Center and he told, the money The monetary loss in Visakhapatnam steel plant is 2,000 crores. Whereas the total ISRO budget was 600 crores. So our investment is less, but the scientists are doing good job. Now it increased, of course. Anyway, let's not go there.
Yes, sir.
So our space mission has identified water, not hydrogen in moon. Moon cannot have hydrogen because of its very low gravity. In
Okay.
future, there is something called green chemistry. Green chemistry aims at making chemicals and fuels which do not cause pollution in the environment. Your petrol, your diesel, your coal, your firewood, all they cause pollution. But if you burn hydrogen gas as a fuel, it will not cause any pollution. Hydrogen is a good fuel, mind you. When I am talking about fuel, what is a fuel? Fuel is anything that can burn to generate energy, which you can convert into useful form for running a car, for driving a scooter, so on. Hydrogen is the best fuel. Efficiency is more, and moreover, it is lightweight, very lightweight. Can I use hydrogen as a fuel? Can I use a petrol for sending a rocket into moon? Can I use petrol?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why no? Why not?
So much
It
petrol will be
cause-
required.
Pollution,
No,
sir.
Unfortunately,
low calorific
you can't
value.
use. Sorry, sir, that is not the reason.
calorific value is less.
Sir, if you want to burn a matchstick, you can't burn in outer space because there is no oxygen.
Oh,
You
Yes,
can't
sir.
burn anything in outer space because the fuels can't burn because there is no oxygen. Therefore, for rocket, you should not use fuel. You should use propellant. What you should use? Propellant.
propellant.
What is a propellant?
Propellant.
Propellant is a fuel plus oxygen source. Have you ever watched Diwali crackers, fireworks burning beautifully?
Yes, sir.
Why the fireworks burn so beautifully means the firework contain a combustible material like carbon or sulfur plus something that gives oxygen. That material which gives oxygen in Diwali crackers is KNO3, KClO3, etc.
Oh,
Similarly, if you are going to outer space, you should take a combustible material plus something that gives oxygen. Diwali crackers can burn even in outer space. So something like a cracker formula you use. But if you are using a solid, solid should have something like carbon to burn plus something like ammonium perchlorate or KClO3 to generate oxygen. The weight will be heavy and the efficiency is less. So you take liquid hydrogen and a liquid oxygen mixture. That is a better fuel, right? So outer space journeys require propellant. Propellant is a mixture of combustible material plus source of oxygen. A propellant can be a solid like a rubber-like material plus ammonium perchlorate. Ammonium perchlorate can give oxygen. And it is an interesting chemistry. I don't want to talk more on that. Simply, I am saying that hydrogen is a promising fuel even for space journeys. This is the introduction to hydrogen. Let us read what is given. Hydrogen has the simplest atomic structure having 1s1 electrons. It is the most abundant element in the universe. It's not given in the
So should
book.
we join again, sir?
Why don't join? Today I wanted to start. We have started the new lesson. I have given you instruction as to how to prepare. Till the time ends, I will be just giving you an idea about the hydrogen. There is a great dispute about placing hydrogen in the periodic table. The 1s1 configuration indicates it is like 2s1 of lithium, 3s1 of potassium, 4s1 of rubidium, all first group metals. As it has similar configuration in outer level ns1, it is to be placed
Now launching Byju's classes, the best home tuitions for your child. From India's best teachers who will explain all concepts and solve.
What a season it's been. Here are my top moments. Don't forget to subscribe to keep getting clips, and thanks for watching.
Where were you shot? Where?
Like in front of my grandmother's house.
But where on your body?
That's like being in the doctor's office, isn't it?
I got hit a few, most of them in the legs. I got hit in my hand and I got hit in the face. So like the fragment portion of it is in my tongue. So it kind of changed the way I speak a little bit. Like.
And you're rapping as well.
Yeah.
What is it still in your tongue?
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's great for oral sex.
Is it?
Oh, right. Okay. I didn't hear that.
Good to know.
Make sure you keep that bit in the show.
Yeah. Let me just make a note of that. You've written the songs that are really hard to sing, and they're big anthems, all of them. And so, can you ever tour an album?
Yeah, you just do it. You do it down. Actually, Adele gave me a top tip. She was like, "Yeah, whenever you can't hit the high note, you're like la la la."
So, Brooklyn put this picture up on Instagram, and he put on it, rocking the old school Ralph Lauren. And look at that, he's got 317,000 likes, okay? Yeah. So that, cool in his Ralph Lauren. Then you scroll through the comments, oh yeah, whatever, blah, blah, I want to, blah, blah, blah. Get down to this one. And Mr. David Beckham, that's my jumper.
It only happens on this programme, honestly. Oh, yeah, I can feel it.
This is him. It's a little video he posted on Instagram to really boast about the number of his followers. Here we go.
So it's my mum's birthday today. Okay, I just reached 1 million followers. I've got 52.
His face. He is crazy.
Okay, I just reached 1 million followers. I've got 52.
His face. He is crushed.
I have trouble remembering lyrics just in general. I remember jams. I remember the tunes.
Right.
But do you remember the one that you did that goes like, it's just you singing and piano, and I was like,
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶೀಲಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇವನು ನನ್ನ ಮಗ.
You know what would make your kids really jealous? What's that? Is if you just posed with a lightsaber with Finn.
That would actually make them very jealous.
Do it. Oh. You've gone off.
David Beckham!
You've gone off.
You have met your match.
Oh.
I just wanted to meet you, mate.
When Benedict became famous, one of the first things that happened was this is so random, that his fans decided that he looked very like an otter. Are you aware of this?
I'm sorry?
I know. This is an opportunity for myself and Johnny to channel our inner otter. This is a nice 3-shot. If you lean in, I'll...